Ladies and gentlemen, our distinguished guests, welcome to today's anniversary gala. 各位现场的长官、贵宾，欢迎大家莅临今天晚上的40周年庆晚宴。Welcome everyone to Forward to Sustainable Future 东日 Hydraulic Machinery Company Limited 40th Anniversary。非常感谢大家今天晚上的莅临，在这40周年庆的重要夜晚，非常开心能够看到各位齐聚一堂。Ever since founded in 1983, Dongyu Hydraulic Machinery has adhered to the business philosophy of steadfastness and sustainable operation and established in the market based on integrity over the past 40 years. Dongyu has been dedicated to the research and manufacturing of hydraulic machinery, providing comprehensive solutions to our customers. Our products are now marketed in over 70 countries worldwide. 东日油压机械股份有限公司自从1983年创立以来，一路走来都秉持着董事长杨真斌先生稳健踏实、永续经营的理念，并且以诚信立足于市场。这40年间，公司一直不断致力于油压机械的研发与制造，为客户提供最全方位的解决方案。东日的产品也已经行销到全球70多个国家喽。因为有这40年来稳扎稳打的努力，也让我们在业界奠定了不可动摇的重要地位。也请大家先给予东日一个非常热烈的掌声，好吗？And today, in addition to celebrating Dongryu's 40th anniversary, we've also reached another significant milestone. Our technical and distribution partnership with REP International, which began in 2004, has now reached its 20th year. So today we are also celebrating this long-lasting partnership. 当然，今天除了要庆祝东日的40周年以外，还有一项非常重要的里程碑。东日从2004年开始与发商 REP International 在技术与通路的合作，已经至今达到20年的里程碑啦。Today we're inviting our important clients all over the world, representatives from 16 global distribution partners, as well as collaborating organizations among the distinguished guests in attendance. 今天现场与会的贵宾当中，我们邀请到了国内外的重要客户、16国的全球通路代表以及各个协力单位，请大家再给我们的贵宾一次热烈的掌声，好吗 ？Thank you all for coming tonight. And we have several ongoing projects, including the completion of factory expansion in Nantou and increasing production capacity by 80%. And our new facility in Ningbo is set to be completed in 2024. And we're also planning to go public with an IPO in 2027, moving closer to the goal of sustainable operation as a centennial enterprise. 接下来，公司也有许多的计划正在进行中，包含南投厂区的扩建完成，所有产能提高至80%，还有宁波新厂预计将在2024年正式落成。当然，东日也在2027年准备要 IPO 上市，朝向100年企业永续经营的目标稳健迈进。Now let's welcome our CEO Zhen Bingyang to the stage to give us a remark, and please give him a warm round of applause. 接下来，我要借用大家最热情的掌声，在这重要的场合，一定要邀请我们最优秀的大家长上